Air quality of Mumbai this morning continues to remain in the moderate category. The air quality witnessed this morning is around 125 as compared to 152 from yesterday. Now this is still in the moderate category. This is the figure for overall Mumbai. However, there are various places in and around Mumbai which are witnessing the air quality in poor, which includes Chembur. We are currently at Mankur, which is a part of the Chembur monitoring system. Apart from that, there are several areas such as BKC and Kolaba which continue to witness air quality in the poor category. This morning, the air quality for Chembur is around 219. That of Kolaba is 238. And in fact, yesterday, Kolaba had witnessed the air quality of 216 as compared to BKC, which was witnessing the poor air quality at 203. So these are some of the industrial areas, for that matter, which includes BKC and Chembur, which continue to have the air quality in poor category. This very location where we are reporting from is very close to the Deonar dumping yard, which is where we see smog that is still enveloping around the buildings and other infrastructure projects right here. And considering that there are infrastructure projects also which are under construction around this area and several industries, which is where we see that a layer of smog still surrounds the buildings early this morning. In fact, taking cognizance of the fact that there has been a dip in the air quality of Mumbai over the last few weeks, we are also seeing that there was an announcement that was made by the Guardian Minister Deepak Kesarkar, who had said that they are planning to set up a command and control center for AQI, wherein there will be alerts that will be sent out to residents on days when the city records a poor and very poor air category, poor and very poor air quality, which is where we are considering once the system is set up, there will be messages that will be sent to residents as well as people around the city to ensure that they are aware of the air quality in the city. Now this is in fact a measure that has come in even as we see that considering the decline in air quality, several people have been complaining of viral infections, and which is why we are seeing that there have been experts and doctors who have said that the decline in air quality is the reason why such cases are being reported. Apart from that, BMC is also planning to deploy outdoor dust mitigation units and implement dust monitoring system in and around the JVLR flyover. Now this is in fact among the place where we see that there are several infrastructure projects that are being undertaken. There is a flyover work also which is on. Considering that experts have in fact said that it is because of the constant construction of infrastructure projects as well as buildings, which is a result for the decline in air quality in Mumbai. We have also seen that the BMC Municipal Commissioner Iqbal Chahal had made an announcement that if the contractors undertaking these kind of development projects, they do not really monitor the pollution level that is being caused by them, he'll be forced to in fact call or shut these projects, be it the government one or for that matter even private one, which is why we are seeing that this measure has also come in, wherein now there are plans to install outdoor dust mitigation units and dust monitoring system in and around JVLR as well. So this in fact is one of the measures that is being decided to put into place amidst the fact that we are seeing that there are sprinkler systems which are being installed around various parts of town beyond Dadar, and that's where we are seeing that this is in fact a measure to bring down the dust pollution in the city. This also in fact has gotten several criticism from various leaders who had taken to social media to comment about the fact that how such sprinkler systems, if they are being sprayed around the sea, does not really help the city, but they need to be in fact sprayed in and around the areas where there is pollution and the air quality is in the poor category.
I have with me Neeta Dalal, who's herself a senior citizen. She's come here with her grandson who has been facing health issues because of bad air quality. Let us try and understand from them what is it exactly that they are facing. आंटी आप बताइए कि क्या exactly problem हो रहा है air quality की वजह से?
एक्चुअली एयर क्वालिटी की वजह से जो है ना, मेरा छोटू बच्चू जो है उसको हमेशा हर दिन हर दूसरे दिन उसको सर्दी खांसी और रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में तकलीफ हो जाती है, खांसी बहुत करता है और रात भर सो नहीं पाता है। और आई कैन फील, मतलब मुझे खुद को भी ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे मैं ठीक से सांस ले नहीं पा रही हूँ। मुंबई में पहले कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ। मुंबई इज ऑलवेज टू बी लाइक एन प्योर एयर, समंदर की वजह से। लेकिन आजकल ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। मतलब छोटा बच्चा जो इतना तक, मतलब जरा भी वेट बढ़ता है, इमीडिएटली आफ्टर खांसी हो जाती है, सर्दी हो जाती है, बुखार आ जाता है, डॉक्टर के पास भागो, चाइल्ड स्पेशलिस्ट के पास भागो। और दोस्ती में, मतलब यहाँ हमारे कॉम्प्लेक्स में इतने सारे झाड़ है, इतनी सारी ग्रीनरी है, मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ तो प्योर एयर होनी चाहिए। लेकिन जब से यहाँ नियर बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ है, हमको इतना तकलीफ हो रहा है। घर, मतलब लगता है दिवाली के टाइम पे नहीं, हर रोज इतनी धूल निकलती है जो हमको साफ करनी पड़ती है।
आप कुछ बताएंगे, आपको खांसी होती है?
बहुत ज्यादा खांसी होती है। एंड इज जस्ट 2.5 years old और उसका वजन ही नहीं बढ़ रहा है बिकॉज वो हमेशा बीमार गिरते रहता है। आफ्टर एवरी 2 days ही इज हैविंग अ कॉफ, आफ्टर एवरी 2 days ही इज हैविंग अ फीवर। और जहाँ बेबी सिटर में या तो प्ले ग्रुप में मैं जहाँ भेजती हूँ तो वहाँ भी देखती हूँ हर बेचारा बच्चा जो है छोटा, वो किसी न किसी इसमें बीमार है। और सबको यही प्रॉब्लम है, खांसी, सर्दी, बुखार। एंड हाउ कैन चाइल्ड कैन कॉप विद देयर स्टडीज एंड उनको हम क्या एजुकेशन देंगे, क्या मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि फ्यूचर जनरेशन को हम क्या दे के जा रहे हैं। और कॉस्ट क्या है वो भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी तो कॉस्ट, लेकिन पहले, हाँ बेटा, लेकिन पहले तो ऐसे बोलते थे कि समंदर की वजह से है मुंबई की क्वालिटी, एयर आउट ऑफ द क्वालिटी मुंबई की बेस्ट है। लेकिन क्या समंदर भी हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है। इतने हम लोग, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन ज्यादा हो रहा है, व्हीकल बात ज्यादा हो रही है, कुछ तो भी है, हमको उसके ऊपर कुछ करना पड़ना।
कितने दिनों से आप ये प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रही हैं?
मुझे लगता है लास्ट ईयर भी ऐसा ही था और ये साल थोड़ा और बढ़ गया है। लास्ट ईयर से प्रॉब्लम, पॉल्यूशन का प्रॉब्लम बहुत बढ़ गया है 2 साल से। उसके पहले जैसे दिल्ली जाती थी इस सीजन में ना तो सफोकेशन होता था, अहमदाबाद जाती थी तो सफोकेशन होता था, मुंबई में ऐसे नहीं होता था। लेकिन 2 साल से देख रहे हो तो सेम प्रॉब्लम वी आर फेसिंग इवन इन मुंबई एंड आई थिंक इट इज वर्स देन दैट। मतलब दिल्ली से भी मुझे लगता है कि हम बुरा हाल हो गया है। सीनियर सिटीजन, हमको खुद को भी इतनी तकलीफ हो रही है। विदाउट वो स्टीम ले बगैर या विदाउट कुछ मेडिसिन लिए बगैर हम लगता है कि ठीक से सांस ही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं। ये क्या हो रहा है? मतलब अगर हम ऐसे जिएंगे, आगे के जनरेशन को हम क्या देके जाएंगे?
He is the example of several young children who have been affected in Mumbai due to bad air quality. Remember, this is not just a problem that the Dalal household is facing. This is a problem that several households have complained of. Doctors say that children are particularly vulnerable, especially during morning and evening times. Their physical activity should be restricted. But where are the guidelines that the citizens should follow at a time when the air quality has been worsening?